Hey guys, this is Advanced Drafting Problem 4. Uh, this is a pretty easy one. Um, I already have the shape drafted out, either from your original Intro to CAD, or if you just would like to draft it out. Pretty simple. Rectangle and two circles. So let's get going. So it looks like if you look at the isometric drawing of it, it looks like it's a block of something with a knob sticking out the front and a knob sticking out the back. The bottom knob is sticking out the front, and the top knob is sticking out the back. So let's first do our extrude, and you should be getting good at this. It's just a rectangle. I'm going to give it a little fill. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come along and I'm going to model, extrude, and let's see, this guy needs to be 1 5/8 inches deep. 1 5/8 inches. Okay. Now what we're going to do is let's extrude our knobs, our front and back knobs. Okay. So let's see, it looks like they are both 2 1/4 inches. So I'm going to model, extrude, 2.25 inches. Now you might ask, Pat, why don't you select both of the circles and extrude them at the same time? Well, as soon as when you extrude two shapes together, then those two shapes get locked together and you can't take them apart. And because we need to make these two shapes go in different directions, they need to be extruded separately. So again, I'm going to do Command E, Control E, 2 1/4. There we go. So now let's take a look at it. So let's do isometric. Okay, so there is just a little bit of a thing we need to fix. It's not a problem, more of a small challenge. Is this guy is laying on its back, sort of. And in your drawing, it looks like it's standing straight up. So what we need to do, again, is we need to rotate this guy. We need to get him standing up instead of laying down. So I'm going to select him, and we're going to come over in right side view. And easy. Just going to select him. Tip him up. I'm going to slide this guy over because I'm angle retentive. I like to have this guy right in the center. Now if I come back and look at him in front view, here we are, and we're also going to look at him in isometric view, and there we are. Right side view. So it looks like what we need to do is we need to move this guy over here and this guy over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this guy right here, and I'm going to hold down the Shift key so it locks it in. I'm going to move him over here. I'm going to grab this guy and move him over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab him right in the center, and I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm going to drag him back until it snaps right onto that. Come over here, hold down the Shift key, drag him until it snaps right onto it. Now let's look at him in isometric. Let's do a little bit of OpenGL rendering. Again, now from the looks of things, that is our drawing. We'll look at it from the right. Looks like it's supposed to look. So guys, here we go. Again, here's our problem 4 in advanced drafting.